Alright, y'all, what's going on? So I got these new pads for my wheel. It's been a while, so I did a lot of miles, with my Sherman that I have. So I got these new 3D pads. I just wanted to show you guys my pads, what it's looking like, and what to expect in the box. So this is kind of like a little unboxing video. So I'm pretty much just, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys how it is. I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna record the whole process of it. So yeah, let's get on with it. So I got these 3D printed pads. I found it on Amazon, and yeah, it's time to put it on the Sherman, man, because I have these leather pads that I've had for a while now, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm kind of tired of rocking it. They're really comfortable, like when I wear no guards, like no knee pads, no gear, they're really comfortable on my legs. But I realize I need a little bit more control, so that's why I bought these, to try to combat me being tired and I ride for long hours. Oh, look, a pigeon. Nice. Oh, you want to see what's going on, don't you? Yeah. he wants to see what's happening. But anyways, yeah, let's get on with it. So, see what it looks like. What's that? So it's 3D printing filament. Nice little hello. Nice little hello. Nice little hello on the box. And then we have so these pads are different from the other pads I have. The other pads is just already set up. This is more custom, so it has the 3D build on it, and this piece is supposed to go inside, like this piece is supposed to go inside and help you like lock your foot in. I think it's like this. Is this how they showed in the picture? So going like that and lock in place, so it gives your feet some space, or little room to, when you were riding, your form won't really change. Like, let's say you hit a bad pothole, or you hit like inconsistencies in the road, it's not gonna knock off your balance, because these are things I experience a lot when I'm riding. And hit certain patches in the road, it'll mess up the way how my stance is, and it'll mess you up completely, and it pretty much messes up the experience of riding. So yeah, you got this, you got a bunch of these, you got like two of these that goes in. You got, this is like the back part, so this is supposed to be like the back part. It's a lot of wind coming out today. So yeah, this is the back part. This goes in the back, and this is the Velcro. So this is the Velcro right here. This is the Velcro that goes on it. So it's supposed to be strong. So I gotta clean up the wheel and stuff. This is the other piece, the second part, and it got some decent weight to it. It's a nice little build. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's a nice build and everything, and it goes in just like that. It's the second one. And we got another piece here. We got a decent amount of pieces. And it's another back piece for the other side. And what's this? This is something. Oh, I think this is like a lock clip. They should show the description, like it shows the diagram on the site where I got it from. The diagram's there, but this is some kind of lock. So I gotta put it together and figure out how I can use it to the best ability. So let's get on with it. That's it. Alright, so with the new pads that I added onto it, it completely gave me a new level of confidence with these pads, man. I'm telling you, these pads, man, it's a big difference on the road. Like when I'm riding now, I'm way more stable. The amount of stability that I have right now is off the meter. Like I'm telling y'all that it's so crazy. Because, you know, normally you see this road here, this Eastern Parkway. Normally when I'm riding it, I gotta constantly shift my legs because of the constant changes in the road and stuff. But now, I don't even have to do that. I could just go, you know, when I hit like a bad bump, you know, I have these little clips there. I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute on the road how it is. But it's just a big improvement on the wheel. I feel like now I want to go even further than I've ever been, you know, now that I have this. And, you know, it's just insane, man. So let's take a look at how it is on the ride. Let's check it out, man.